The Serene Life Small Air Conditioner Portable 12,000 BTU unit has garnered positive reviews for its exceptional performance and convenience. Designed to efficiently cool rooms up to 550 square feet, this portable AC unit is perfect for those seeking a reliable and versatile cooling solution. Customers appreciate the built-in dehumidifier, which not only cools the air but also removes excess moisture, enhancing overall comfort. The unit's sleek design and compact size make it a great fit for various living spaces, from bedrooms to small apartments. The ease of use is another highlight, with the included remote control allowing users to adjust settings without leaving their seat. The window mount exhaust kit simplifies installation, ensuring that the AC unit can be quickly set up and put to work. Customers also commend the unit for its relatively quiet operation, making it suitable for use during the day and at night without disturbing sleep or daily activities. Overall, the Serene Life Small Air Conditioner Portable 12,000 BTU is praised for its powerful cooling capabilities, user-friendly features, and effective dehumidification, delivering a satisfying and refreshing indoor environment. Whether combating summer heat or maintaining comfort year-round, this portable AC unit consistently meets and exceeds customer expectations. The GE Window Air Conditioner unit, with its 5,000 BTU capacity, is highly regarded by customers for its efficiency and practicality in cooling small rooms up to 150 square feet, ideal for compact spaces such as small bedrooms or living rooms. This unit provides reliable and consistent cooling to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Customers appreciate the manual adjustable fan and cooling settings, which offer flexibility in controlling the room temperature to suit their preferences. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the included Easy Install Kit, which simplifies the setup process and ensures a secure fit in most standard windows. Users frequently highlight the unit's straightforward operation and durable construction, noting that it delivers excellent performance even during the hottest days. The GE Window Air Conditioner is also praised for its relatively quiet operation, making it a great choice for bedrooms where noise levels are a concern. In addition to its cooling capabilities, the sleek white design of the unit blends well with various interior decors, adding a touch of modernity to the room. Overall, customers are highly satisfied with the GE Window Air Conditioner unit for its affordability, effectiveness, and user-friendly features, making it a top choice for those seeking a reliable cooling solution. The Fekal's official store portable air conditioner is a versatile and efficient 3-in-1 evaporative swamp cooler that has garnered praise from customers for its performance and convenience. With 4 modes and 3 speeds, this unit provides customizable cooling options to suit various needs, whether for a bedroom or other indoor spaces. The 12-hour timer is a highly appreciated feature, allowing users to set the unit to run for a specified period, ensuring comfort while also conserving energy. Customers are impressed with the user-friendly design, which includes an LED display for easy monitoring and adjustments, as well as both remote and touch control options for added convenience. The portability of this air conditioner is another standout feature, with 4 wheels and latches that make it easy to move from room to room as needed. The evaporative cooling method is particularly effective in dry climates, providing a refreshing and natural cooling effect that many customers find superior to traditional air conditioners. The unit's ability to function as a fan, humidifier, and air cooler makes it a multifunctional addition to any home. Users appreciate the overall build quality and the ease of setting up and maintaining the device. In summary, the Fekal's official store portable air conditioner excels in delivering efficient, flexible, and user-friendly cooling. Its 3-in-1 functionality, coupled with advanced features like a timer, multiple control options, and portability, ensures that customers are highly satisfied with their purchase, enjoying enhanced comfort and convenience in their indoor environments. The Winter Portable Air Conditioner 14,000 BTU is a standout choice for those seeking powerful and efficient cooling for rooms up to 500 square feet. Customers are highly satisfied with its dual-hose design, which enhances cooling efficiency by drawing in and expelling air simultaneously, ensuring rapid and consistent temperature control. The unit's robust 14,000 BTU capacity, 9,500 BTU SACC, makes it highly effective in maintaining a comfortable indoor climate, even during peak summer heat. Beyond its cooling prowess, the Winter Arc 14S also functions as a dehumidifier and cooling fan, adding versatility to its list of features. Users appreciate the built-in dehumidifier, which removes excess moisture from the air, contributing to a more comfortable and healthier living environment. The cooling fan provides an additional option for air circulation, ideal for milder days when full air conditioning is unnecessary. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included window kit, which customers find easy to set up and secure. The unit's portability is another praised feature, with built-in wheels and a compact design that allow it to be moved effortlessly between rooms. The digital controls and remote provide user-friendly operation, enabling precise adjustments to temperature and settings without needing to get up. In summary, the Winter Portable Air Conditioner 14,000 BTU delivers powerful, efficient, and versatile cooling, making it a popular choice among customers. Its dual-hose design, multifunctionality, and ease of use ensure a high level of satisfaction, providing a reliable solution for maintaining comfort in larger rooms and living spaces. The Serene Life Small Air Conditioner Portable 10,000 BTU unit has received high praise from customers for its excellent performance and modern conveniences. Designed to cool rooms up to 450 square feet, this portable AC unit is a perfect fit for bedrooms, living rooms, and small apartments. One of the standout features is its built-in dehumidifier, which effectively removes excess moisture from the air, enhancing overall comfort and making the indoor environment more pleasant. Customers particularly appreciate the integration of Wi-Fi capabilities, which allows for remote control and monitoring through a smartphone app. This feature adds a layer of convenience, enabling users to adjust settings, set timers, and monitor the unit's performance from anywhere. The included remote control provides an additional option for easy operation, ensuring that users can control the unit without having to leave their seats. The window mount exhaust kit simplifies the installation process, allowing for a quick and secure setup. Users also commend the unit for its sleek design and compact size, which make it an unobtrusive addition to any room. The quiet operation of the Serene Life Portable AC is another highlight, as it efficiently cools the space without generating disruptive noise, making it ideal for use in bedrooms and other quiet areas. The Serene Life Small Air Conditioner Portable 10,000 BTU unit stands out for its powerful cooling capabilities, user-friendly features, and modern conveniences like Wi-Fi control. Customers are highly satisfied with its performance, ease of installation, and the added comfort provided by the built-in dehumidifier. This portable AC unit consistently meets and exceeds expectations, delivering reliable and efficient cooling for medium